Welcome to another edition of GoRECON TV. Today we will be installing a set of 264-388BK. These GoRECON lights replace the factory Tacoma taillights to give your truck that unique look. These lights are plug and play and very easy to install. Using a socket wrench, remove the 3 bolts on the side and pull out the factory taillight. Pull the 3 connectors from the back of the factory taillight. Twist the factory connector to expose the taillight bulbs. Remove the factory bulb from the connector and insert the GoRECON plug into place. It's important to make sure the polarities are correct on the plug. Insert and lock the connectors back into place. Test all of the light functions to ensure the connections are correct. Insert your new taillight back into place and tighten the 3 bolts. Thank you for purchasing your new GoRECON taillights, and remember to get lit.